Yes, students, all of you, my voice is audible.
Yes, ma'am.
Screen is visible.
Yes,
Screen
ma'am.
visible.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Screen is visible. See.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. So during last few lectures, we studied the water chapter. As far as water, the entire whatever the numericals and the theory, entire thing we have completed. And coming to the second module of your syllabus, that is polymers, which is the highest, second highest, you can say, around the particular chapter has got as far as the mark weightage. Marks. It is the highest water, polymer, and then phase rule. Okay, all these three chapters are high weightage chapters. And as far as particular polymers, you must have undergone study particularly with respect to plastics and rubber. These are coming under the big, what you can say, the applicable material for day-to-day's life, right from your household purposes to industrial and the particular professional, or maybe from your laptop, the whatever three entire are the number of polymer. Okay. Like tires, your hands, particular, as I said, your laptop, everywhere you bought plastic
Ma'am, we can't hear you
were
properly.
these tires. Yes, can't hear. You just check your connections because here it's not any problem. From my side, it's not
Ma'am, your voice is
any
breaking.
problem. Both the divisions, all of
Ma'am, your voice is
which
breaking.
division you are,
Division B.
which division you are,
Division B.
division B,
Yes,
division
ma'am, your voice is breaking.
divisions division subdivisions are you some connects. So the connect. And so coming the polymers, as polymers are the polymers measurements units, and such a measures that polymer are connected to bonded together. The particular polymers we call it as a polymer. High molecular, as far as the molecular weight, the number of units when they are coming together, high molecular weight, the particular giant molecule you are getting, and with that particular you can say substance which has got number of units bond together, maybe organic and inorganic, have in linear chain, the structure of a particular substance or the molecule. This giant molecule we call it as the polymer. अभी भी आ रहे बच्चे, you should come on time. अभी कितना 24 हो गया, it's too much, it's too much long duration I gave you. So coming to the point, the polymers, these are high molecular weight or the masses built up by the linking together large number of small molecules called as the monomers, or poly means many, meras means units, or the monomers. The number of monomers, you can observe this particular slide, you can find this particular each unit, it is bonded together, and you are getting the particular high molecular weight built up by the particular molecule or the substance having high molecular weight linking together by the number of bonds with a small number of units, all the meras, that is they are the monomers or the meras number of units, they are coming together this particular giant molecule called as polymer. Okay, and this particular polymer, under your syllabus you are having this particular polymers as the here this molecule you can observe. What is this? CH2 double bond CH2. What is it? Come on, one of you answer. CH2 double bond CH2 क्या है? बोलो. हाँ, ethylene. So number of ethylene 1, 2, 3, and so on. This dot you can understand. They are bonded together means CH2, CH2. This is CH2, 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 CH2. They are connected or bonded together, and you are getting this particular ethylene single molecule. Number of molecules coming together, and you are getting polyethylene. Okay, you are knowing polythene bags, the band over there, because lot of the particular use and the decomposition of this polythene becomes highly difficult, and this particular you are having PVC, vinyl chloride. Number of vinyl chloride molecules unite together, you are getting polyvinyl chloride. We call it as a PVC. And similarly polyethylene, PVC, vinyl chloride. Then you are having this particularly melamine formaldehyde. This is also the one of what you can melamine. You know melamine. Melamine is the best. You can say the plastic. High grade quality plastic. Generally, if you at least for girls, you might have been keen towards your the dinner set. So dinner set, just most of the time that particular plastic does not react with your foodstuffs, and with that view, we generally use this melamine plastic dinner sets, which are the high cost dinner set, and because it has got the particular melamine formaldehyde. Melamine formaldehyde, we will see. There are the examples. This is just we are going through the monomer and polymers. Here you can see this particular ethylene, polyethylene. Number of this vinyl chloride. Vinyl chloride, what is the this particular one of the hydrogen is replaced by this chlorine. Yes, that particular. So what I mean to tell you is like that. Means some of the plastic and some of the rubber. Butadiene, styrene. Styrene you must be knowing, and buta means 4. This particular diene, the particular molecules coming butadiene, styrene. Then butadiene nitrile. The nitrile rubber has got the oil resistance. So rubber, as far as your syllabus, you just try to remember, because most of, and be careful, as I always we are in a hurry to complete the syllabus, and that's why I just have not what we can say the clear idea I have not given. Don't modules have been changed. Even polymer, you will find the same chapter long back, but polymers also, rubber is not there. It has been omitted from your syllabus. Vulcanization नहीं है, rubber नहीं है. Study of rubber has been curtailed, omit किया है आपके syllabus. You are having only plastics and वो भी Kevlar and PMM में ये 2 plastics है. And the rest of the study with respect to general polymers, the study of this chapter, we will study under this particular criteria. What is polymer? What is polymerization? Degree of polymerization. Polymers kya hai? Degree of polymerization. Then we will deal with the polymers, a number of properties, as it is a range of application, and research has been going on. So the properties of polymers, generalized property, molecular weight matters much. Then apart from that, glass transition temperature is one of the most important property. Then coming to this particular conductivity or the conducting polymers, conductivity or the conducting polymers, this is the third property, and all these particular properties are under your syllabus. And this particular properties, apart from that, plastic study is there. Plastic, we will study what are the 2 types of plastics: thermo softening and thermo hardening or thermosetting plastics. Then you are having that particular plastics fabrication of plastic, most important as far as exam is considered. How the fabrication, different shapes have been given, fabrication technology under that particular, and then you are having the particularly what we can say the synthetic plastics, how synthetically two plastics, Kevlar and PMMA, these are the two polymethyl methacrylate. Acrylic, you know, the wide range of acrylic nowadays in RG has seen अपना क्या बोलते हैं डाइनिंग टेबल का टॉप मेड अप ऑफ wood, but nowadays it has been replaced by that particular what you call say the acrylic, which has got the resistance to high temperature, resistance to breaking, cracking, fissuring, all these particular acrylic point of under polymethyl since properties uses. We will study
आवाज
this
आपकी
particular
सही नहीं आ
both
रही।
the plastics. Okay, so अभी आपके इधर प्रॉब्लम है. Which division you are?
बी डिवीजन।
नहीं मैम, सबके लिए अटक रहा है।
A, हाँ, ए डिवीजन आ रहा है क्या? हाँ, आप अपना खुद का कनेक्शन चेक कर लो.
नहीं मैम, सबका आपका ही आवाज
डिग्री ऑफ
हाँ, सबको अटक ही रहा है आपका आवाज। आपका
ठीक है,
कनेक्शन
दिखा
का
रही
प्रॉब्लम
है
है थोड़ा।
हाँ ठीक है, आपका क्वेश्चन
अभी भी
degree
अटक
of
भी रहा है।
polymerization, if we consider, polymerization is the process as we are seeing the particular number of repeating units when they are united, we are getting that particular polymerization, the process of polymerization. If we consider the degree means what is the average number of repeating units, okay, that is the degree. Means degree of polymerization is the average number of repeating units in the polymer. Polymers are the substance which has got the cross-link organic or inorganic molecules, the particular single unit which comprises the particular bonding with number of molecules, and such a number of molecules are the number of units coming together, monomers coming together and form polymers. And what is the average number of these repeating units is the degree of polymerization. In your particular polymer molecule, what is the degree of number of repeating units gives you this particular called as the degree of polymerization.
Ma'am,
Okay,
someone wants
then
to join in
this-
B division, ma'am.
Okay, allow. So degree of polymerization, this particular, you can have this representation means how many number of repeating units under in this particular specific polymer which has been defined under this particular property called as the degree of polymerization. Specific polymers, what is the degree of polymerization? Upon that, the number of properties as well as the number of applications depends. And with that view, the degree of polymerization is important. So M, N, M0, yeah, what is it? I will tell you because आपके syllabus में just after this थोड़ा class लेके उसके बाद हम molecular देखेंगे.